Today I'm comparing 3 cooking methods: deep frying, shallow frying, and kettle grilling frying. I'll be breaking down the analysis and the key factors like texture and crispiness and flavor for the crispiest chicken. Stick around, I know you're gonna love it. So let's get grilling. So we're going to go ahead and marinate our chicken thighs. The skin left on, so we want to get that crispy skin right into the bowl, because we're going to season everything tomorrow. And then into the chicken, just a cup of buttermilk. And then right into our refrigerator. 30 minutes is fine, but overnight is probably the best to get that chicken marinated. So for our grill fry method, I've got this boom fire starter. I'm gonna get this lit. Let's put that right in the center. These things are really good. They last a long time. It's got a 12-inch flame, and every time I've used it, it stays lit. So for deep frying, I'm gonna be using peanut oil. Get it about half full. And then we'll let that get to 350. All right, so our charcoal has been smoking for about 15 minutes. It's one side of the grill. I'm gonna spread all the charcoal onto this half and then on with the grill grate. All right, so for our dry mixture, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a cup of cornstarch, teaspoon of garlic powder, teaspoon of smoked paprika, teaspoon of cayenne pepper, salt, pepper. Let's give everything a good mix. So here's our chicken that was marinated for about 24 hours. And what I also did was, these were chicken thighs with the skin on. I just removed the bone. Very easy to do. Shaking off of that excess buttermilk, and then right into the flour mixture. Just get it nice and covered. It's going to be cooking indirectly opposite the coals. So we'll let this go. We've got our oil getting hot. So I've got a thermometer set here. Right now we're at about 300 degrees. We want to hit 350 before we put in the chicken. Shallow fry method, I'm going to use my Blackstone. We'll let that get nice and hot. I also wanted to add a little chunk of cherry wood. Okay, and onto our Blackstone, I've got the peanut oil. Right into the oil. I see our deep fry oil is up to 354. We're getting a good browning on that. So I'm going to flip it so it cooks evenly there. Peanut oil in this spray container. Skin is coming apart there, trying to heat down. Oil, I mean, it's up to 166, 170. Yeah, definitely crispy all over, as would be expected with fried chicken. Got all sides of that chicken, completely the underside, perfect. Fantastic, crispy bits, nice flavor on it, good texture. Now, not the healthiest option, obviously, and with all that oil. I gotta go in for another bite. Still moist in the middle. Great on that flour mixture. It doesn't have the spice level that I prefer. This would be perfect with any spicy sauce. Just love that. Right, and here is our grill fry. The underside, not really cooked too well. We got the top side cooked, even though we use that peanut oil spray. Not a whole lot of crunch, but there's so much flavor in this. Yeah, I'm a little bit partial to grilling. I just love the smoky flavors that it produces. It is fantastic. I do get some of the crunch on the skin. Nicely cooked. But we got that smoke that penetrated, crispy bits. A healthier option, obviously. You know, you're not going to get all that grease. Looks like in an air fryer. And then we've got our another sizable piece here. Blackstone, shallow frying. We couldn't get the batter to stay on there too well. Generally, this is not looking too good. Yeah, you get the crispy. No doubt the Blackstone, that's what it's designed for. Crispy exterior, I mean, get that on a steak, on a burger. The shallow frying definitely does the job. I love the flavor on it. And very hot, love it. If you're not crazy about deep frying, and a lot of people aren't even inside, this is a great alternative. You have the benefits of the oil, the quick frying, crispy skin. It doesn't look great. I mean, the skin's coming off, but I mean, it's still fantastic. You can see the inside. Still nicely done. We got a good cook on that. We got a nice texture on the top, crunchy bits. Obviously, I know there's a lot more roasting methods out there, but these three methods I use a lot. I deep fry a lot of things, either in the kettle grill or just directly in the hot oil. That obviously perfect texture. It just blows everything away. That definitely is number one as far as texture. The flavor, but a lot of the hot oil just kind of dissipates that flavor that I added into the flour. So that's kind of gone. Definitely grilling is for flavor. As far as the texture, I'm still getting a crispy skin. It's smoked. Number two, the grilling, and then number three, shallow frying the Blackstone. So for our next video, I'm going to use the best method for the crispiness, which came out as the deep fry. And I'm going to make a chicken waffle sandwich. And then I'm going to make a whiskey bourbon sauce as well. So watch for that video coming up soon. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If there's anything that you'd like me to make, please post it in the comments below. See you next time.